Okay, so I found my way to Fillmore and 20th Street in Ogden. I'm trying to find this Birdsong trail. I found the Birdsong trail, which actually is the climb trail, but there's like a downhill bike trail over here. So I'm trying to find it. Gotta go check it out. So let's go figure out where it is. I'm kind of at this dead end. I don't even know if you're supposed to park here or down at the bottom, so I'm gonna kind of explore around and see what you're supposed to do. It's not very long, but it does sound to be pretty intense, so hopefully I can find it. Okay, let's go. Okay, and is that Ogden Bike Park over there?
Yeah, if you
I've never ridden that either.
and cross the street, go over the bridge where the river is.
Okay.
And then you'll go under a tunnel.
Okay. Do you think anyone cares if I park here, or?
No, you should be chill.
Okay. Yeah, I've seen Nick's post, Nick McMillan. I guess he worked on him, but I just gonna explore.
Sure.
Cool, thank you so much. Okay, bye. Well, let's go look for it. Birdsong Trail, Birdsong Bike Trail. I like bike trails, so I don't know if that's the one. But. All right, that was a bike trail. Okay, looked like there was a split. Okay, well, that homeless encampment kind of freaked me out. What does this do? Really loops back up. Oh. All right, well, slick bike parky. Sweet. Whoa. Oh. Dang, okay. Need more speed for that one. Oh, this is scary blind. Okay, that's the loop. Birdsong Bike Trail is the one we want to hit. So we're gonna try and not mess anything up this time. Okay, that takes you straight though. That's wrong. You have to turn right there. Peak. Right? Yeah. Okay, I don't think I did this part. I think I went on the other loop for a second. How's it going?
I'm good now, how are you?
Good. Ouch. Okay. Way too much. Way too much on that. Oh, dang it. Okay, well that was stupid. I just like landed on my nose like right here or something. I don't know, probably not that much, but kind of nose manual for a second. Nose wheelied, I mean, and then crashed. My arm hit that log right there and it hurts so bad. So that's lame. My hand and my arm kill. Just sit down for a minute. Okay, I just fixed my bars. That really hurt. That was like a massive dead arm. Hurts seriously so bad, and my hand is like totally bruised. I don't know, like I can't squeeze stuff very tight. Be careful out there, guys. Don't overshoot that one. That was stupid. Okay, here we go. No, you're good. I just got wrecked back there.
You good?
Yeah, I've been sitting since you did that whole lap. Like I have like the worst dead arm right now. Oh, interesting. It's like the right around, but it still has a little drop. Yeah, I can't even do my brake. Oh. Ow, 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 ow. Well, that was a fun trail, but I'm kind of hurting, so that's, I think, all you're going to get, because my right hand does not brake very good right now. Can't hold my bar very good right now. Well, there you go, Birdsong. It's a super fun little trail, but you can get wrecked, so be careful. Ha, hurts. Bye. That was a painful crash. Honestly, I hate crashing like that. It hurts so bad. But yeah, so you don't want to overshoot that landing. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Happy Memorial Day. You guys are having a good day remembering, and we'll catch you later. You can look out the road down there. First pulled up down there because Birdsong Trail took me down there. So